Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the SOUNDCORE speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily add the speaker to your application. This whole process doesn't really make the difference between the iPhone and Android phone, so let's get started. At first we have to open our SOUNDCORE application and here we have tap Agree and Continue. Now we can skip the process of the logging in or log into our account. I will skip that. Here your iPhone or Android phone will send you a notification to allow SOUNDCORE to send your notifications. I will allow for that, and now you'll see this menu. Here we have a tap plus add device and here allow for determining the number of devices. In the iPhone I guess you'll have to find the Bluetooth devices. Here is, as you can see, we have our device, so let's tap on that. And before the whole process of adding your speaker to the application, I recommend to be connected to your speaker before that. Goodbye!